Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning guys, it's 5:30 in the morning. Nagsabay nagising yung dalawa, and then pinadede muna namin ni Cubs, and then pumasok na siya sa work, and pinalitan ko sila ng diaper, andun na sila sa kanilang crib. Nagpatugtog ako. So far, hindi pa sila nagagalit. So I'm going to do their laundry and maghuhugas ako ng bote habang hindi pa nagagalit yung dalawa. Behave pa yung mga batuta ko. Mamaya yan, iiyak na yan. Ayan na guys. Nag-do it na yung dalawa. Hi baby, what is wrong? Huh? What is wrong? What is wrong baby? What is wrong? Huh? Brayden? Dawson? What is wrong baby? Oh. Ayaw nyo na dyan, ha? Ayaw nyo na.
You gonna start cooing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see Grandma talking.
Seems like he wants to talk back.
I know. We're gonna start cooing back. Yes, sir. Them little lips. Yes, sir, baby. Grandma loves you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I would just start laying.
Brayden is crying because he wants me. Now you have to talk to him in Tagalog.
I'm not speaking in Tagalog.
Sorry,
I
no.
can't.
Han.
I don't know. Isa, dalawa, magandang gabi. Magandang hapon. Magandang, what's the other one? Good morning, gabi.
Nakakalimutan na.
I don't know. My Tagalog ain't right. I can say a couple cuss words, but I can't.
Okay, I need to get dressed so before he cry.
Yeah, we got about an ounce to do it in.
So yun guys, naliligo ako, tapos naririnig ko umiiyak yung si Brayden. Hindi mapatahan ng tatay niya. Kapag kami lang dito, umiiyak lang sila kapag gutom. Pero kapag nandito yung tatay nila, akala mo laging kinakawawa ng kanilang daddy. Hindi ko alam. Naglalagay ako ng aking proactive. Baka kasi makalimutan ko naman mamaya. Kailangan kong gawin to araw-araw para effective siya. Si Brayden nilagay ko sa kanyang crib and then pinatugtugan ko para makapaglagay ako nito kasi nagising na rin si Dawson andun sa kanyang tatay. Han?
Yeah.
Are you feeding Dawson?
No.
Buti na lang winter ngayon kasi kapag summer, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas nang gumagamit ako nito kasi masunog yung balat ko. Ang dami ko talaga. Pero mukha naman siyang effective kasi nagda-dry yung aking pimples. So yun. Nandito kanina yung mother ni Cubs at tinulungan niya ako kung paano pwesto si Brayden sa kaliwa kasi nga yung kanyang ulo. Diba? So yun, lagi na siyang nasa kaliwa ngayon. Marunong na siyang tumingin sa kaliwa. Tsaka pag natulog siya, tumatagilid na rin siya sa kaliwa. Marami din dito. Ayan. Ayan si Brayden guys. See, tumitingin na siya sa kaliwa niya. Hindi na puro kanan na lang. Kasi grandma trained me early.
Good morning, everyone. It's dinner time here, and the babies are sleeping, so we're gonna go ahead and try and cook something to eat. We're just kind of tired of eating out. We don't have a lot of time, but I figured we'd go ahead and cook hamburgers. We like thick hamburgers. Those are about an inch thick. They'll probably shrink up a little bit, but we like them thick. Because I remember when we was at Jollibee, we've been there before and I bought their hamburgers. They're really thin. I don't know, maybe thin like McDonald's hamburgers. I still don't know why everybody loves Jollibee so much that's in the Philippines. I mean, I mean, the chicken is good. I do like the chicken and the gravy. I don't know of any restaurant in the United States that Americans are so crazy about. I mean, there's so many, the Philippine people are so loyal to Jollibee. I mean, Jen, she wants to pack the kids up and travel to the nearest Jollibee, which is like 6 hours away. And I don't think I can make that drive. Those babies would kill us. Now we're going to use, we'll make some seasoned French fries in the air fryer. It'll take about 15 minutes. Here's Jen's hamburger. She likes mayonnaise on it, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of mayonnaise on there. And here are all the French fries cooked in the air fryer. No grease, it makes it a lot healthier. They actually taste pretty good.
So here's my dinner, guys, made with love. Right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Yep.
You put too much salt.
It felt, I had the wrong end open. And it all just dumped. I tried to get it out.
The twins are sleeping here sa kanilang bouncer. I don't let them sleep there a lot. Only like few minutes. What did you do?
I shaved and I cut my hair. It might have been the hair on my face scaring the kids because I didn't shave over the weekend. It's been about a week since I shaved and it was getting a little long.
You don't have long hair.
Well, it was long. The twins aren't used to it.
No, they can't see it.
But they can probably feel it.
Okay. Let's
Yeah.
see later.
We'll see. Tonight's going to be a better night.
Yeah, okay.
They're going to want me now.
Okay. Kasi ayaw ng kambal sa kanya, guys. Hindi niya mapatahan. Cab was getting upset because the twins won't stop crying.
They won't. But then as soon as I hand them to her, they quit crying. It's like I'm no help at night hardly. And unless they calm down and then I can feed one, that's about it. Then once they actually fall asleep, they're okay with me.
Mm-hmm. Guys, Daddy is doing the dishes and I'm getting ready to feed one of them. Maybe, it's Dawson kasi kakakain lang ni Brayden. Ayan, parang sama ng pakiramdam ko, parang akong lalagnatin. And I don't need to have fever because I don't want to transfer it to the kids. But I think it's just cold. Mataas yung balahibo ko. Siguro malamig lang talaga dito sa bahay.
I know.
Bagong shit si Calbong Pogi, oh.
They won't be scared of me tonight.
Ewan ko sa'yo. So yun guys, nga pala, yung sa mga nandito sa US na nagsha-shop sa Sam's Club, do you guys think that you really save money from shopping there? Kasi you have to be a member, right? And you have to pay like $45
Every
a year for a membership. So we were thinking about it kasi kung like wipes, diapers, and stuff for the kids.
But that's not that expensive, I don't think.
We want to know if you can really save money by shopping there, if it's really worth it.
Keep in mind, we don't have the room to store a lot of stuff if we buy in bulk.
Kasi kasi talagang malalaki yung ano nila doon. Anyway.
What little free room we have is probably going to be filled up with toys.
So yun lang for today, guys. I think I'm gonna sleep early if the twins will let me. Kasi so far right now, they're sleeping so good. It's 7 o'clock. Oh my God. They're gonna be...
I'm scared for tonight.
Gonna be awake.
I'm scared of 6-month-old or 6-week-old kids.
Yeah. So yun, I'm so tired and I didn't take a nap the whole day. And then I think last night I got 2 hours of sleep. Nabubuhay na ako sa 2 hours of sleep. But, it'll be over soon. Hindi pa namin ma-enjoy ngayon yung kambal kasi lagi kaming pagod. So, pag nakakapaglaro na sila at nakakita na sila, yun, ma-entertain na namin sila. Saka na namin sila masyadong mai-enjoy. And I'll be going back to work soon, and I'm not really excited about it. But
No, the babysitter can't hold them all day. I don't know what's going to happen. I know we don't have time to do anything. It's hard to find time to clean, hard to cook.
okay. Maraming salamat.
But we love them to death. Wouldn't
Of
change
course.
anything except the crying.
The crying. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.
Bye.